Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials about how to use iPhone again, but now specifically I want to show you how to add the Spain language into the keyboard. So here, to set the language into your keyboard, go to the settings and then just scroll down, okay, until you find a general option, and then just click the general. And then now just looking for a keyboard over there, click the keyboard, and you already have access into the keyboard settings. Click the first rows, which is keyboards, and here it is shown what language that we have on our keyboard. So if you want to add Spain, just click add new keyboards and then type over here Spanish. Okay, Spanish. There are three options of Spanish: Spanish Latin America, Spanish Mexico, and Spanish Spain. I want to choose the Spanish Spain, like that, and then the Spanish Spain is already active into our keyboard. Sorry. And then how to check? So just back into here, click the search engine, and then just type. You can choose or change the language on your keyboard by click in the down left corner and find until it goes into the language that you want. Still English, Bahasa Indonesia, and from BCA. This is the grammar, Korean, and this one for the Spain. Now you already have your Spain's keyboard active on your keyboard. So that's all for today's information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into these channels.